Hey guys, this is Mike from Makers Generation. Welcome for a new tutorial. Alright guys, so today we focus on a series we started. It focuses on Python. So we made diverse episode on how to get started with Python, with print, input, with variables, how to use all of those. We even made a sample calculator. So today we focus on using conditionals. Meaning by conditionals I mean using if-else condition, and we see step by step how you can integrate that in making a ATM today. So we try to make an ATM and see how it works, and try to have a little bit of fun. Alright guys, so for those of you who don't know what Python is a high-level programming language. It's being used in industry, and it's pretty easy to learn. So by industries, I mean more or less whatever you can think about. You can create games with it. You can easily use it in automotive. You can make website with it. It's used in big data, it's data analysis, data visualization, and much more than that. The list is really long. But it's just to explain you what you can do with it, and also if you're looking to learn a new program but you can have access to a good job tomorrow, Python can be a really good solution for that, guys. Okay, let's get started now. First thing first, if you need to use Python on your computer, you might need to download it. We won't do that today. If you want me to do it, let me know in the comments, and I can make an episode especially dedicated to that. I can show you how to download, install Python, and so on. But today we just use an online version of Python interpreter. But before we get there, you can just go there and type Python download. There you go, Python download, and you click on the first one, download Python. And usually it brings you to that page, and you can click on download Python 3.13.3. So this is the latest version of the Python release, and most up to date. And before that we had a version 2. You can find them here. You can download them, depending on what project you're working on, what project have been designed for it before. You might need to use one of the versions here, so you can also do that, guys. Okay guys, let's go back there, and as I said to you, we use an online Python interpreter. So we type online Python interpreter, there you go, and we click here on online Python compiler. The website is called programmers.com. Let's click on it. Alright, so when usually you click on it, you're gonna see all this interface. So the screen is separated in two main parts. The first one here, where you see the 3 lines, is where we usually write our code, and here you have this button called run, and here exit gonna be, the output. You're gonna have the output here. So it means it's going to be the result. And here you have the different language that can be used. We're not going to use. We're going to focus on Python today. We have HTML, Java, C++, and so on. All right. So here we have 2 lines here that are comments, and here we have a line of instruction. I click on one, and we talk about it right after. All right. See. It's written try programmers.pro, code execution is successful, meaning the code has been executed with no issues. So here we read try programmers.pro here, print try programmers.pro. So what is written here is what is between parentheses. The function is print, and when you have print, and whatever you write more or less between the parentheses, you will show it there. Alright guys. As I said to you, we try to make an ATM today. So first thing first, I will delete this line here. I can comment it, whatever works. And we try to make an ATM, and I want to write the amount of money I have on my account. So I use a variable. I put $1,000. Alright, and now I want to put the money I want to remove from the ATM. Value equal input. You know the deal. If you follow my previous tutorial, how much money you want. There you go. Okay, value. Now we're gonna write if. This is how you write if the value, so what we want to remove is superior to the amount of money on the account. You see amount is, and put a semicolon. If value is here, that's the money we want. So you just need to type it there. It's superior to amount. Amount is the amount of money we have on our account. And if the amount of money is superior to the amount of money we have on the account, you go there and you type print. So you see here we have a space here. So we have to put the space here. It's called indentation. If we don't type that indentation, we have an error. Let me show you. If I want it, how many do you want? I want 50. Run the code again. Oh, it's running because I didn't remove the space. Let me remove it. And let's see, you're gonna have an error. You see, indentation error. That's what I was talking about. Okay. Let's go here. Print. You're gonna write you don't have enough money. Alright, so that's the first thing, And now I'm gonna try elif. Elif is a new condition. If the value we want is between $1,000, I mean as the maximum amount, the value here, $200, and so forget a semicolon. You're gonna print quotes. You can remove the value you want. You can write whatever you want actually. You can remove the value you want. And else, else print, you can only remove. So if it's inferior to $200, you can only remove 100. Remove $100. Alright guys, so I think we are good to go. Let's give it a try. Run. How much money do you want? I want $2,000. So that's the condition is here. Let's run it. How much money do you want? $10,000. So what does he say? What is this? Type error not supported between instance string and int. Okay, we still have that int issues and string. So when we try to compare words with numbers. Alright. So amount is a number. So we want this to be a number too. So I need to put int here. Let me click on run. Let's see what's up. How much money do you want? I want $10,000. You don't have enough money. Okay, the first one was executed. Okay, let me run it one more time. And how much money do you want? I want something less than $1,000. And you put $700. Okay, we still have the same issues. Okay, int. I think that value, I think I need to put int there. Let me run it. I want $700. You can remove the value you want right here. So that's a good sign. We get in there. Let me run it one more time. And I want 100. You can only remove $100, so the value is inferior to 1,000, inferior to 200. Alright, you can try something else. You can put 199 just to see that it works. You can only remove $100. Alright guys, we finished for the if conditional conditions, for the if condition I like to call it. And it was a fun game, fun ATM machine to create. You can be more complicated than that, much more complicated than that, of course. But that's a good way to get started and have our hands dirty. Alright guys, so don't forget to like the video, and don't forget also to leave some comments, and don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel guys. Alright, see you for another tutorial.